Quick tutorial lang to. Now, you decided to join the OragonDeals.com. You have to identify muna kung buyer ka or seller ka kasi both have a different patterns sa registration. Kung buyer ka, you don't need to worry anything. Just register, provide all the information correctly, then automatic ang confirmation. Pero kung seller ka, freelancer or service provider, iba yung pattern ng registration kasi kailangan ng confirmation from the Oragon team about the information that you provided para naman safe yung transaction ninyong bilang seller at buyer. And now I'll show you how it is done. Kapag nag-login ka na sa www.oragondeals.com, ito yung website or main page na makikita mo. To register, kailangan mo lang hanapin yung icon na nasa upper right side, itong parang may tao, and click it. Apat ang options na makikita mo rito, may login, register, seller login, and seller register. Kung buyer ka at gusto mo mag-register, i-click mo lang itong register. At kapag na-click mo na to, ito yung page na mag-appear. Sa buyer registration, tandaan po na 5 ang mandatory information na kailangan namin. We have the name, email, phone number, home address, at age. Kapag minor ka, you need a parental guidance. The rest of the information na nasa baba or fields are secondary information that we need from your end para ma-verify namin yung profile nyo. As a buyer, it is best kung alam mo rin yung mga rights mo at yung limitations mo. If you click this buyer's guide, ito yung page na makikita mo. Makikita mo dito yung no refund policy, yung limit ng voucher purchase, yung voucher verification and redemption, age requirement, identity and profile, and so on. You can also click itong frequently asked questions na most of the time, just to give an idea kung paano nga ba yung Oragon Deals nag-work. And of course, kapag clinic mo tong how OragonDeals.com works, ito naman yung link sa YouTube, lahat ng tutorial about sa OragonDeals.com. Okay? Now, kapag seller ka naman, like a legit business, freelancers and service providers, sa main page ng OragonDeals.com, sa upper right side, itong icon na to, i-click mo lang ito at makikita mo yung seller login and seller register. To be a partner, kailangan mo muna mag-register. And once you click this register, ito yung page na makikita mo. So take note na as a legit business, iba yung requirements, iba rin yung requirements sa freelancers. Below are the mandatory fields na kailangan mong i-fill in to be identified as a seller or freelancer or service provider. Kung gusto mo naman malaman yung seller's guide, yung mga terms and conditions as a seller, once na-click mo itong seller's guide, ito yung makikita mong page. Makikita mo dito yung mga requirements as a legit business. Ito yung requirements then for the freelancer or service provider. And below are the terms and conditions. You can read the full of it to the very bottom, or you can also download the full terms and conditions. Ito yung option na to. Okay? So in case you have any clarification as a seller, as a freelancer, as a service provider, just send us email sa admin@OragonDeals.com and we will provide you all the necessary information on how to board and be part of the OragonDeals.com. So, yun lang. Just check all the time yung homepage. There's some latest information na pinopost namin there. So, from time to time, you can see what are the things that you can take advantage sa website na www.oragondeals.com. So, we're looking forward for your joining. Thank you.